Hi kids! Welcome back to our channel where we put up fun DIY videos and educational content for kids of all ages. Look what I have here today. What is this? Yes, it's a circle. It's a circle. So today, let's learn how to draw a cat with the help of circles. Let's dive into the video. Now, let's see how to make a circle. But first, let's recap how to hold a pencil properly. To hold a pencil, pinch your thumb and first finger to make the sign of good, like this. Now, pinch your pencil or pen between your first finger and thumb. Hold your pencil firmly. Let's repeat this once again. With your thumb and first finger, pinch your pencil and hold it like this. Good job, kids! Now, holding your pencil or pen firmly, start from the dot and make a circle. We go round and round till we reach the dot again. For the ears, make a slanting line and another slanting line. Same for the other ear. Then make two little circles for the eyes. For the nose, make a sleeping line and two slanting lines like this. And a smile. For the cat's whiskers, we'll make three sleeping lines on both sides. And then make a big circle for the body. Then a tail. Meow! Your cat is now ready. It's time to color it now. Children, what sound does a cat make? It says meow. It says meow. And do you know what is a baby cat called? It's called a kitten. It's called a kitten. Well done, kids! You know, you can make so many things with a circle. Can you guess the things around you which have a circle in it? Let's see, what all can you make? A flower, a caterpillar, or a snow. See you next time, kids. Bye.